Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Smart Fill in Google Sheets to automate data entry. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Smart Fill in Google Sheets to automate data entry. First off, what is Smart Fill? Smart Fill in Google Sheets is the feature that automatically detects patterns in your data and suggests autofill options, saving you time and effort when entering repetitive data. It is similar to how Google Sheets automatically completes sequences, but it uses pattern recognition to infer what data you need based on existing inputs. Now here's how to use Smart Fill in Google Sheets. First off, start by opening the Google Sheet that contains the data where you want to apply Smart Fill. Then enter at least a couple of data points to help Google Sheets recognize a pattern. For example, if you want to extract first names from a column of full names, type in the first name for the first couple of entries. Okay, so let's say I'm definitely going to have to add those names. So here is how to get it done. Okay. So I'm going to have to begin by typing in the first name for the first couple of entries. So I'm going to start with James. So I've typed in James and I'm going to type in the next one, John, and I'm going to type in Amanda. So you see that. And here I'm going to type in okay, so let's go back to, because Google would have, of course, detected that I am getting this done, and they would have show and refreshing my sheet. Okay, so here is going to be Mary Smith, and I'm going to apply more names. Anna Youth. So I'm going to have to start with entering the first name for the first couple of entries. James. Then John. Then Amanda. Then I should have Love. Okay, so Google should already, okay. I best guess is that I already disabled the Smart Fill from this sheet, so I'm just gonna have to move on to another sheet. So I'm just gonna highlight these and just copy them, so I won't have to take so much time in the next sheet. And Control C, head over to sheet 2, which happens to be free. Okay, so Control V, that's it. So let's see how that works. The first name, there should be favorite sim, and I'm just gonna move on with it. So favor in James So that's it. This is exactly what I am looking for. So as you begin entering more data, Google Sheets will automatically detect patterns and display a suggestion for the rest of the column based on your input. So for example, if you're entering the first names from a list of full names which you have here, Google Sheets will suggest filling out the rest of the first names, which is what we have here. Now, if the Smart Fill suggestion looks correct, here is already looking really correct. Just go ahead and click on this good icon to accept the suggestion, and the rest of the data in the column will automatically be filled in based on the detected pattern which we have here. So if the suggestion is incorrect, just go ahead and click on that X icon, and it means you've ignored it, and just go ahead and continually or manually enter your data. So that's it. That's pretty much how you can use Smart Fill, and you can also manually invoke Smart Fill. If Google Sheet doesn't automatically suggest the fill, which was the problem that we had with this previous sheet, and it seems like we're having an issue with the sheet. So I'm just going to go back on this. It looks as if we're having an issue with the automatic fill. This is how you can invoke Smart Fill manually. So highlight the range of cells you want to apply Smart Fill to, including cells with the pattern you've already entered. And once you have highlighted them, I'm just going to click on that and highlight these cells. That's okay. So I'm deleting this and deleting this. I'm deleting this and I'm deleting this. So I'm going again to highlight these cells. So once you're done highlighting, in the top menu, go ahead and click on data, and from the drop down, go ahead and click on Smart Fill if you find it there. Okay. Data slicer. So Smart Fill is pretty much not available for this, but if it is available for you, just go ahead and select Smart Fill. And once you select Smart Fill, that's just going to be it. Google Sheets will scan the data and provide fill suggestion based on the detected pattern. All right, and of course, once you have highlighted the range of cells you want to apply Smart Fill to, go ahead and include the cells with the pattern you've already entered. So it means you must have started these. If for example, if you're using first names, you must have entered James in here. All right, and highlight everything here, and let's say you'd have entered John as well. So you highlight everything here in the cells and highlight these two, and then click on data and click on Smart Fill if it is available for you. If it is not available for you, you have absolutely nothing to worry about. Just know that it is not available for you. All right, but then the automatic Smart Fill should definitely show up, or if it's not available for you, just go ahead and open up a new Google Sheets like we did, and the automatic Smart Fill will be available. So I've clicked on data and Smart Fill is not here. So that's it. So if it doesn't work here, just open another Google Sheet and try it again, and the automatic Smart Fill will definitely be available. You can also use formula-based suggestions, right? So in some cases, Google Sheets will suggest a formula when using Smart Fill. For example, when extracting first names, it may suggest a formula like equals left and then A2 find, and then open your parentheses, then inverted a quotation mark, another quotation mark, comma, A2 parentheses -1 to extract the first name. And you can accept the formula suggestion if it aligns with your needs, and Google Sheets to apply it across the column. Now with Smart Fill, you can quickly automate repetitive tasks in Google Sheets, making your data entry more efficient and reducing manual effort. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.